I already made your wife know. I already told her this. She said if you can't do the job, she will do it. So since you're not gonna take it serious, maybe I need to swap and ask Karen to come and do a shift.
Backchat family. Today, Miss Ellis lays down the absolute law when construction funds dry up. Tap subscribe. I make her watch it play out.
So where you run, where go back country I go?
Who exactly a look for you, Kitty? This back country escape sound bare suspicious.
No, do what them have to trouble you, they not trouble you, Kitty. Nobody not do you nothing.
Alright, my friend, you gotta tell me.
Nobody not do you nothing.
Yeah, you gotta tell me.
So how long you just see the boys home?
A long time, man.
Jano, imagine doing 2 years in a boys' home because you cannot find your yard.
So how come? So your parents never... So your mother never come back for you?
Yes, my mother come look for me out there, sir.
But you did do something wrong for
Oh, man.
child protection.
Care and protection.
Care and protection.
Number 5, care and protection, them call it, but it sound like pure crosses, everybody.
Yeah, me go on town. I'm on a left the sea, I'm going to see him walk, get up and go walk.
Oh, and then find you?
No, fine.
Oh, and then put you in a boys' home.
That sound wicked.
So you left all the way up a Miros go. Oh, you reach a town?
Man, can't go, they can't go back to where you been there.
What?
They can't go to town where you been there back to.
Can you go to town to go live where?
Pass it there. Pass it there, yeah, you're old.
So what? Then what? You walk out of the house and she couldn't find you?
Jesus, peace. Them drop him in a bar zone? Make sure somebody go rescue him.
I take long to come go walk.
Oh, and then find you?
I don't find
Oh, and when they find you, they know them put in a boys' home.
Yeah, put it on radio and put it.
Oh, they put it... Kitty, me can't bother with you, yeah, Kitty, man. You're not serious, yeah, man. Me can't bother.
Number 2, Miss Ellis have to dig deep for find out who really. Before you go anywhere, I want to know so you're part of the family. Tap subscribe, make it official. This is a we thing. Me, you, and every Backchat lover out there. Add Kitty back them.
So who take care of you when you lay down in bed and sleep?
I have a boy.
But Kitty, me can't let her leave with you now. Not leave her every
You
day.
can't tell her, so come in now, can't stand up.
I feel I know.
But I hear so you go stay with him?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
We can't go stand up.
You can't go turn up.
You're not beard?
Lord of mercy, with all that wildness, him belly must be pure steel.
That true? Where you say something to your house bottom?
But hold on, wait till you see what happened with construction of his stop.
So you could have more germs. They come up more than you.
Lord
Okay.
God,
This is the
and I better
bathroom.
move fast before disaster striking at that bathroom.
Come back here.
Huh?
When you guys will come back here. Come
You say not feel well.
Kitchen or bathroom, it no matter when the funds vanish. Make us see what next.
The kitchen for Mr. Paul, but money run out, so I have to stop it now. Can't go no further.
You really expect we to believe one little grocery swallow up the promotion money?
To fear then.
He say want money, sir.
So how you have to go and you go to promotion with you and get money?
Me
So
would I fix it myself, cause they want this song with the gun itself. Me they want that fix it.
yeah, but you know, can't
So,
say,
man.
what you do with the promotion money? You never use that, do it.
Promotion money, me not get no
No
promotion.
man, you went to Kingston and Aiden at Unstoppable
Oh,
Enterprise.
that one day. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, oh.
So you never buy
Me
it.
use it buy a little grocery last week.
So you not a grocery already.
Look who is just coming into work. 10 past 10.
Why? She not played. How you get extra time and still
Why are you
rolling late?
late? Good morning, Sean.
Good morning, Miss Cam. You look so good. Your hairstyle pretty on.
Thank you.
See you there now.
Blessing of God.
I'm not pleased.
Not please.
No.
I'm not.
Why are you late again?
No, because remember saying me late 8:30.
No.
Then not that be vehicle.
Sean, we had this conversation.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
What time are you supposed to be here?
I not that.
I actually move it to 9:30. If you can't make it here for 9:30, Sean, I don't.
Miss Ellis not take no foolishness today.
You to be
Him
alright.
jabba hang by one thin thread.
Cannot have the place this messy, opening up at 11, and you're showing it up at 10:10. I've explained that many times. No, I'm letting the public know.
Me have to say thanks to every last one of uno we watching. Big up uno. But me check the numbers and most of uno no subscribe yet. That little tap of the button, that's how you really support the Backchat family. No cause you are sent.
Because it is more of a concern now.
Still come and, you know, trade traffic and
Still coming to work don't make sense, Sean.
Him
You're
gonna
not
need
here
a
on
miracle
time
to
do
keep
the
this job
that I
today for
require
true.
you to do. You cannot sweep when the guests are already here. And if you're not reliable, then I'll just be employing you for no reason. And that is not the case. When you sign up here, we had a discussion. And since you're no longer under Miss Ellis' care, you are the public. You're not. And I've been warned. I have been
Lord
warned.
have mercy, this worker better behave quick before unemployment reach them door.
And as soon as 5 o'clock come, you're ringing me 10 to 5 to tell me that you're ready to go home.
well, I really know stop for me to be there. If not traffic, I will not tell it every time I leave.
It's not gonna happen, Sean. This is your last.
Yeah, me serious.
Lord have mercy. How them supposed to clean so fast without one sip of water?
You have half an hour to turn around this property very quickly. I don't want to see you taking water break. I don't want to see you taking no breakfast break, no nothing. Until right around this area where the customer's gonna be.
Me know why you come back down there. Me evict you.
Lord, Kitty really mash up my trust
Where
right
you
there.
want
So.
me burning?
Give me time. That's me, man.
You look like you're high. How are you gonna take?
That's the quote me got there.
What?
As you say, I read.
I don't me you say you're taking a
I
kitty.
read, bro. I'm going to quote one. I'm a top. I read. I want to see me get from bed last night. I'm really done beat on money.
Kitty, make sure you're not stuff mix with that stuff there, you know. Because I can't have you around me if you're doing that. So up on the floor you sleep.
Hey, tell your boy.
Pure confusion. How una jump from sleeping in a car park straight to the bed?
So what that have to do with you sleeping on the bed? So why you not sleep on the bed? You're waiting in down to coffee mall? So where that have for you sleeping on the bed?
Sure. Me wonder if Kitty a go answer that second question for true.
They Kitty, you sell me out, watch out! No sir! No sir! Kitty, move, Kitty sell me out! So Kitty, you choose she over me? No
Ciao,
sir!
man.
Me not understand. Kitty! I'm here sir? No Kitty! I'm here sir!
Lad, when the glasses drop, you know it's serious. Kitty better answer about Mr. Park.
So Kitty, you're not Mr. Paul.
Yeah.
You don't want me to Mr. Paul.
You look at John.
No, let me really ask. Kitty, you really a go friend left me? Eh? No, sir. We don't understand this. We don't
Boy,
understand
living
this.
better than
Kitty,
most away.
I brought in this yet. Let me take off the glasses. I brought in this yet.
What kind of going, bro? That's the guy I no more.
Kitty, let me take off my glasses. Look at me. Look at my face. Yeah, go for left me.
Family, after everything you just say, what would you do? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for this one, my dear. If you want to see how this drama really end, tap subscribe so it comes straight to you. And the next episode, they right here so. Love and blessings. Me see you in the next one.